Okay, super fast video for today. I don't have a lot of time because I got to get out of here, but I did want to make this video. Today's Thursday. It is, let's see, the 30th of November. And this morning for my pre-market analysis and strategy development, I was looking at 15-minute charts and I put the 15-minute EMAs on the 8th, the 20, etc. Started noticing these patterns, these trades that I've been looking at over the last few days. How the excuse me, the the 8 is respected before big moves up. Sometimes that wasn't, but the this one actually should be down here. Yeah. So just before big moves up, you have a continuation of a trend by you'll have a big push and then a sideways consolidation and then a green candle will bounce off the 8, etc. And then you can do the expected move also by going, these are wickless, so body to body and then duplicate that move. That happens, a lot here. So, here's a move down, here's the second part of the move. Here's a move down, here's the next part of the move. Things like that. So here's a move down, here's the next part of the move. All by checking where the candle kind of interplays with the 8 EMA, the purple line. So here's another one here. Here's another one right here. They're actually fairly easy to spot if you know what to look for. So this morning at the Open, New York Open, I was looking for something like this, and I did see this one. Now this one was tiny, but it still kind of followed the pattern because based on the news we had at 8:30, some economic news. We had a big push down, then sideways consolidation, and then a tiny little acorn candle, and then the big move down. So I tried to short it at 9:30 sharp. However, unfortunately, what happened was that I wasn't connected to my server. I had it disconnected somehow, and it hadn't reconnected, so I couldn't get a fill, and then just got flustered and didn't really figure out what was going on until a little bit later, so I missed it. But it was a pretty good move down. It was about a on gold 38 to well, put in the wicks, you can see the full move. 38 to about 32, so about a $6 move. You can see it here as well. Let's see right here. Yeah, from here down here. So it was a pretty good move down, and unfortunately I didn't get it, but I did write down some trading wisdom, my rock solid trading wisdom journal this morning. These are the checklist items that you should definitely have when you're looking for a trade. Clear mind, relax and alert, clean psychology, trade with the trend. So in this particular example, yes, it was trending down, and that entry kind of confirmed the trend. Time of day, enter trades near the half hour or the top of the hour. This particular trade set up at exactly 9:30 sharp, so half hour. Check RSI on the 15-minute chart, bouncing under 45 for shorts and bouncing above 55 for longs. This is something that I'm adding to my checklist right now. In this particular case, yes, if you look at the RSI at 9:30 sharp, 9:30 sharp, there you go, 9:30 exactly. That's a 9:30 candle, but it was bouncing under the 45. It pushed under it, and it was holding, and it was rolling over under the 45. So that was one more thing. And then the last thing on the list is, of course, having a good pattern. The 15-minute shows trend continuation against the 8 or against the 8 and, I should say, and 1 or 5 minute shows dynamic support for the trade direction. And all I mean by that is that at this moment, actually, if you go to the 1 for kind of more of a close-up zoom, you can see that it double topped against the 8 and continued down. So you could wait 2 minutes for that confirmation of that little mini Christmas tree right there. You see how it comes down, one top against the 8 and the 20, comes down, another top against the 8 and 20, and then the real push starts. So there's your double top confirmation, and that comes at 9:32 with a 9:32 candle. So basically, that's all I wanted to share with you. I didn't actually get to take any trades because I got to get out of here. But using this checklist and focusing a little bit more on 15-minute charts right now is what I'm going to be doing, I think, for the next few days. Finding this setups on the 15-minute and using, for sure, using RSI support, time of day support, trading with the trend, having a clear mind. It's first on the list because it's the most important. And the pattern is actually the last thing on the list. That's by design. I think the clear mind is the most important, making sure with the trend, you got the right time of day, right volume, right RSI, and then your pattern. So, kind of flipping the script here and making sure that the mind is top of the list. Okay, that's it for now. Take care.